This is how to fix the ChatGPT network error. There are three ways you could do to fix it. The first way is to head over to your browsing history. But if you're using Chrome, you're going to go top right here, over to history right here. But for me, I'm going to open my history here, and I'm going to search my history for OpenAI, and I'm going to clear out everything related to OpenAI and ChatGPT. The other way to fix the error is also to request your answer in parts. For example, I said here, can you tell me some recipes for chicken? After you do all that, ask me, are you ready for the second part? And if I respond yes, then proceed to tell me more recipes for chicken and pasta. So if I send this, you see ChatGPT sent me some recipes for chicken, and then it asked me, are you ready for the second part? Exactly as I asked it to do. So I'm going to respond with yes, and then it will continue with what I asked it to do. If either one of those do not work for you, I recommend switching to a different kind of browser. If you're using Google Chrome at the moment, try Internet Explorer. If that doesn't work, try Opera GX. If you would like to download Opera GX, just go to Chrome and look up Opera GX and go to the website and install the browser like that. That is how to fix ChatGPT network error.